You allowed to grow your nails if you keep them clean. Growing of nail is restricted in Islam. Again, Rasul Sallallahu has said that Muslims must trim their nail between 40 days time. So it should not be grown. So what is the reason behind it? It's imitating the kuffar or the disbelievers. And Rasulullah Sallallahu has said, Man tashabbaha biqawmin fahuwa minhum. And those who are, inshallah, the next week it will be less than that. It won't be at 12. Next week, inshallah, it will be 8, I think 8 or 8 5. So it doesn't matter. By 8:15 you can finish your Maghrib and you can join us. So next, inshallah, next Saturday we will start our program immediately after 8:05, inshallah. So you can pray your, instead, even if you miss, doesn't matter, alhamdulillah. You first do Allah's duty and then you can do this, inshallah. So as far as the nail part is concerned, this is the Islamic etiquette, Muslim etiquette, Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Sunnah of the Muslim Sahaba, is that they used to trim their nails within 40 days, and they used to clean their underarms hair and additional hair within 40 days. So it is not permissible for a Muslim, man or a woman, to grow their hair or grow their nail and keep them long for 40 days, more than 40 days. So, and we see that this kind of etiquette is of the non-Muslims today. And Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has made it very clear. And it's your choice what you want to be. You want to be a Muslim for the sake of Allah, or you want to be a follower of the non-Muslims, because Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said, Man tashabbaha biqawmin fahuwa minhum. Anybody who copies any nation, any people, any group, any celebrities, he is one of them or she is one of them. So it's your choice. And I don't have any reason or wisdom behind that to tell you if you do this then you will be punished, because there is no hadith to say that. But hadith does say that Rasulullah told the Sahaba to cut their nails within the period of 40 days, and it is not permissible for the man or a woman to have their nails grown more than 40 days. It has to be taken off within 40 days time. But the non-Muslims usually don't grow their nails. They apply artificial nails. Yeah, artificial nails is totally haram, because Rasulullah has said the person will be cursed on the day of judgment who use fake things, and he refers to the artificial and duplicate hair. So that was there. So anything that is artificial in our body, which exposes, and it again copies, even copying of the non-Muslim, whether you grow like hairs and nails like the non-Muslims, or you put artificial nails like non-Muslims. Either way, you are following them. You are not following the Sunnah of Rasulullah. So, alhamdulillah, you have to decide what is right and what is wrong. Okay, I forgot to cut my nails on Friday, and now there are long. Can I cut them before next Friday? Yes, alhamdulillah. You can cut them any time when the truth comes to you. When you follow that truth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala overlooks your past. MashaAllah. This is the hadith of Rasulullah.